Good morning, students. Today we will be reviewing how to solve two-step equations in our classwork section. You have learned this concept in your previous class, so we'll just do a review over here. Okay, so question says 6 is equal to 8 divided by 4 plus 2. Do not do anything with the term which is with the variables. You have to circle this. Don't do anything. Let's try to get rid of this. What is the opposite of plus sign? Good, subtraction sign. So plus 2 minus 2 will give you 0, and this will give you 6 minus 2 will give you 4. And I will bring this down. Now tell me, what is the opposite of division sign? You see, say a divided by 4. So opposite of division sign is multiply. So I'll multiply by what? The number which is denominator. When I multiply this side, I need to multiply this side also by the same number because it is a equation. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled out. But this 4 times 4 will give you what? 16. This is your answer. But standard form, we write it like this: a is equal to 16. Go ahead and copy the question and the solution in your mind. Okay, now let's do question number 2. I will apply the same approach. Since I can see my variable, I will circle this. This means I need to get rid of this term which is right next to my this because I want to isolate this. What is the opposite of negative sign? A plus sign. So I'll plus what? Same number 6 because I want to add something which can give me 0. And I have to do the same over here. So negative 6 plus 6. Let me change the color of my pen over here. Negative 6 plus 6 will give me 0, and I will bring this down. X divided by 4 equal sign. Now you see this negative 5 plus 6. Okay, if you do not know what to do, use your calculator. So negative 5 plus 6, keep in mind, okay? So negative sign is this one, negative 5, and put the plus sign over here. Again, a reminder, this calculator is in your Verge. I have posted the links many places in Verge. Open your Verge, go to your coordinate algebra course, and you will see lots of information under the resources tab. So let's click on here, enter 1. So what is my answer? Positive 1. So I'll come back over here. It will give me x over 4 is equal to what? Positive 1. Now I will again change my ink over here. Let's change this color. X divided by 4. What is the opposite division? Multiplication. Multiply by what number which is in the denominator? Okay, but you do the same thing on both the sides. So this 4 and this 4 gets cancelled out. So you are left with what? X. What is 1 times 4? Don't say 5. 1 times 4 is what? 4. And this is your answer. Go ahead and copy the solution. Okay, let's try to do a different question. It's in a different way over here. It says 9x minus 7. Now when I say 9x, it means 9 times x. So I will circle this first of all. And this is the number which is right close to the x variable, minus 7. What is the opposite of minus sign? Plus sign. What plus 7? Same number gets added where? Over here. Negative 7 plus 7 will give you 0. Cancel out. Oh, this also can give a 0 over here. Cancel out. So 9x is equal to what? Nothing. It means what? 0. Now let's change the color over here. Let me change it. I like to change colors. Okay. 9 times x. What is the opposite of times? Division. Divided by 9. Divided by 9. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. Any number divided by, 0 divided by any number is what? Always 0. So this is your answer for this question. Copy the solution and I will wait for you. Alright, let's do a different question over here. This question is different because 5 plus x, both of these terms are in numerator, so I cannot do anything. It says 5 plus x divided by 6. Let me erase this so you all can see what it says over here. 5 plus x divided by 6. What is the opposite of division sign? Multiplication. You will multiply by what? Multiply by 6 on where? Both the sides. Okay, I think I need to rewrite this over here because otherwise you all cannot see. Okay, so right over here negative 1 is equal to 5 plus x divided by 6. So I will circle this part over here and I'll multiply by what? 6. Multiply by what? 6. So like we have been doing previous questions, 6 divided by 6 is gone. But this time is 6 times negative 1 will give you what? Negative 6. Now this side you will be left with 5 plus x. It looks like one step equations to me. One step equation. So what you do one step equation, you will circle this. So this is a plus 5. You know there's no sign over here, it means a plus sign. So you will subtract 5 from where? Both the sides. 5 minus 5 0. But when you do this part over here, it will give you what? It will give you negative 11. And in this side over here, it will be x. So my final answer will be what? X is equal to negative 11. Okay, good. Now if you do not know how I got negative 6 minus 5, I will show you on a calculator. So look over here. So negative 6 is this one. Minus sign negative 6. Minus sign is this one. And 5 is this. And what is the answer? Negative 11. So you can do like this over here. Alright, so since we have done this one, okay, let's try a different question again. I'm giving you different examples. So when you are working on your IXL, if you come across any of these types of question, you will be in good shape. Okay, so all the different types I'm doing. Now number 8 it says 2 times n plus 5. So this is a parenthesis. You have to distribute 2 over here and you have to distribute 2 over here. So what is 2 times n? 2n plus sign. What is 2 times 5? 10. No, you will not multiply 2 over here because parenthesis stops over here. What you do, you circle this, subtract 10 from both the sides, plus 10 minus 10 will give you 0, and this will give you negative 12. Again, this is 2 times n, so you will divide by what? 2, both the sides. So n is equal to what? Negative 6. There you go. Copy the solution.